This is a question of simple linear equation, right, asked by UPSC in their CSAT exam of 2022. On one side of a 1.01 kilometer long road, 101 plants are planted at an equal distance from each other. What is the total distance between the 5 consecutive plants? Right, so there is a road, right? The length of road is 1.01 kilometer. We will convert it into meter. So it will become, in 1 kilometer we have 1000 meter, right? Now it's converted into 1000 meters. So it will become 1010.00, right? So this is a road from here to here, right? So now we have to plant 101 plants, right? So एक plant we have to plant in this, right? So just understand one concept. Suppose this is a road and I have to plant 3 trees, right? So I will plant like this at equal distance. So the gap is here and here. So I have to plant 3 trees, right? And the gap will be how much? The gap will be 2, right? Or you can assume like 1 tree we planted here. So now we have to plant 2 trees. So at what distance? So we will divide the total distance by 2, right? So similarly here we have to plant 101 tree, right? So the gap will be 100. So we will divide the total distance 1010 with 100, right? So it will come out, because we have to plant them at equal distance, right? So this is given. So the distance will be how much? It will be 10.10, right? So this will be the distance between any 2 consecutive tree, right? Plant or tree. But the question is asking the distance between 5 consecutive plants. So suppose I am here planting 5. First we planted here, second, third, fourth, fifth. So the total distance will be this much. How many gaps? 4 gaps. As I told you here, if I want to plant 3 trees, so the gap will be 2, right? So similarly here they are asking for 5, so we will multiply with this distance. This one distance is 10.1, right? So the total will be 10.1, 10.1, 10.1. So this will become, otherwise you can add them all, otherwise you can multiply it with 4. So it will come out 40.4, right? So this is the total distance between 5 consecutive plant, right? So option B will be the correct answer, right? I hope you आपको समझ आ गया होगा. Okay, if you guys still have some issues in this, so you can connect with us. Okay,